Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear listeners. Every Friday in our universal school we have a special activity of learning Hadith. Today our three students will present a beautiful Hadith in three different languages. We will learn from this a great lesson. We must keep our parents happy, respect them and obey them. Let's listen to these beautiful words of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and try to learn from this a great message. Are you ready? Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم رضا الله في رضا الوالد وسخط الله في سخط الوالد. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah is pleased when the father is pleased and Allah is angry when the father is angry. So respect your parents, make them happy. This will lead you to paradise. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, अल्लाह की रजा वालिद की रजा में है और अल्लाह की नाराजगी वालिद की नाराजगी में है, इसलिए वालिदैन की खिदमत करो, उन्हें खुश रखो, यही जन्नत का रास्ता है।